This motherfucking dog face Michael Jackson looking son of a bitch. You got a Michael Jackson costume on? Somebody need to beat your motherfucking ass. Beat it, beat it. Somebody need to take a broom or a mop or something, or fork or something, or a goddamn rake and beat the shit out you with. Michael Jackson looking ass. Got his hair like Michael Jackson and everything. He got that paint on his face like Michael. Billy Jean looking ugly motherfucker. Terry, get this dog face looking motherfucker. Dog face looking son of a bitch.
He wants to know.
No, he don't want to know a goddamn thing. Want to know how come he's so motherfucking ugly.
But Junior, he got this vest on.
Shit, what that guy doing up there? Nice looking. The best look alright, but this motherfucker is fucked up. Ain't got no shit.